Ahoy, Aichi. Ahoy, bro, what kind? Who's that kind on your status? What again, bro? There was like 4 colors on my status. That only one, man. The one with the blue top and the blue jeans. Oh, nah, that's Stacy. She lived like 2 doors away. My bro spanned a line for me there, bruh. My bro, you must stick out, bro. What? There's more where that came from. Bruh, you must know I don't like Delft. Bruh, why you worried? I'll get you by the taxi ring. When you with me, no one will bother you.
Okay.
A few moments later.
Penny, wat gaan nou aan? Hoe kan ik dit doen? Mami, ik heb mijn schooltje mee gaan visiten in Delft. Maar Penny zei, weet aan Delft is zo gevaarlijk. Ja, wat mami mijn vriend het gezien als ik samen is, hij zal niemand van mij roppen. En toe roep hulle van my in vir hom.
Okay.